Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca coming to you from the Lower Mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2009 Western Star 4900 SA. It has 1,263,308 kilometers and 17,350 engine hours. It has a Cat C15 engine, 475 horsepower, a Jake brake and full diff locks, a 13-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, RTLO 16913A. The front axle rating is 13,200 pounds on axle model MFS 14143A on spring suspension. The rear axle rating is 40,000 pounds on axle model RT4145P on air suspension. The ratio is 3.58. Tires all the way around 11R 22.5 on aluminum rims all the way around inside and out. The wheelbase 228 inches. Has twin fuel tanks, both 150 gallon, a 72-inch double sleeper, and the unit will come with a fresh MVI. I'm going to do a general walk around of the unit and then come up close for a tight inspection. I'll point a few things out as I go. Appears to have a twin exhaust. You can see it has a moose bumper. It's a bright white color. And I'll show you when I get a little closer. The frame has been sandblasted and painted recently. And all the aluminum is going in for polishing, including the tanks and the rims. And we're just about coming up to the walk around here. We're going to come up close. And let's come right up to that moose bumper. And a little closer to the grill. I'm going to pan up the driver's side of the unit and then come down on the passenger side. And move to the passenger side of the unit. We'll take a look at the hood. We'll show you underneath that later on. And air cleaner's in good shape. Steps are nice and level. I'm just going to go up the cab here. Looks to be in pretty good condition. I'll point out that the housing on the mirror is taped, and I'm seeing some rust spot here. And the fuel tank is in good shape, no dents, and again that will be polished along with all the other aluminum. Let's take a look at the sleeper from the outside. It's a Stratosphere Starlight Sleeper Western Star. I'm going to point out right now the unit has a Pro Heat. It's a Thermo King unit, and an aluminum checkered plate will be put on. And I'm just going to point out here the aluminum deck will also be put on as well. I'm going to step back here between axles 2 and 3 and then come right up in between the unit. Give you a look at the suspension from behind. And I'm going to come up behind the unit here and I'll follow the drivetrain along for you as far as I can reach. And just come back up to the fifth wheel. You're going to do the same thing on the driver's side of the unit. Come between axles 2 and 3. And right up to the airline or suspension again. And the steps to the access, nice and level. Again, that access plate is going to be installed shortly. And again, the unit will come with a fresh MVI. Let's take a look at the sleeper from the outside here. On the driver's side, it's in good shape. Let's take a look at the steps here over the cab. And the cab itself is in good shape. I'll point out another tape here on the housing. The mirror itself, no cracks or chips. And air cleaner and hood all appear to be in good condition. Let's take a look inside the cab. And I'm just going to come up to the upholstery here. I'm seeing a couple of little holes. This is in the driver's seat. I'm seeing one here in the arm as well. And on the passenger, I'm seeing a couple on the arm. There are minor holes. They could use some seat covers. I'm going to come up on the panel here. It's nice and clean. And quite complete. No missing gauges, buttons, or dials. Let's take a look at the sleeper. We've got lots of storage. Again, it's a double sleeper. We have more storage and a fridge unit. And the unit's in good shape. It's quite clean. Let's take a look under the hood. Nice clean start. Let's take a look at the engine. And there you have it. Have a good piece of iron from IronFind.ca. Thanks for watching and have a great day.